Not long ago, I made a cocktail on this channel from the Oh Sweet Disney website. It's called the Nautilus. Please check that out. It's a wonderful cocktail, one of my favorite go-tos this summer for sure. So the website is full of cocktails and food recipes from the parks, and a few of them are from Trader Sam's Tiki Bar. Most of them are from Trader Sam's in Disney World. Today I'm featuring a cocktail again from their website, and it is called the Polynesian Pearl. It's not to be confused with a pearl diver or a Polynesian pearl diver. Those are different cocktails altogether. Hello again, by the way, my name is Anne and I am the home bartender. The mugs on the screen that you see right now are the actual mugs that today's cocktail is served in at Trader Sam's in Disney World. It's a big deal if you get a black one because every 100 Polynesian pearls is served in a black mug, supposedly. I don't want to wait any longer. Let's just try this one for you now. Oh, yum. This is so very, very good. You can expect this cocktail to be light and have a bold cinnamon flavor. That cinnamon stick right on the top is just something that I added myself, but it really does boost the senses and get you ready for a really great cocktail experience. It's gonna have a great mouthfeel because I used RumChata to make it. That's in the recipe. I have a couple of cocktails on my channel with RumChata, so I'll link those at the end, and I'll also put those in the description box below, but I'll put the clickable cards at the end of the video. It's a rum-based liqueur, but it's not rum. It tastes like horchata, which is cinnamon, sugar, and rice. It's totally fun and easy to play with. It'll have a nice tropical, spicy, orange, sweet vibe to it. It's really, really easy to sip, very, very easy to put back. You can expect it to be a very delightful drink. It's not hard to make, so let's go over the ingredients and I'll show you how to do that coming up next. So this cocktail is very easy to make. I'm going to show you how by starting with a ½ ounce of cinnamon syrup. Next, we have 3 ounces of pog juice. I went over how to make pog juice in my Nautilus video, but I'll give you the specs right now. It's 1 part or 1 ounce of each: pineapple juice, orange juice, and guava juice. And so we got 3 ounces right here. And then it's just 1 ounce of Grand Marnier. 1.5 ounces of RumChata. Stuff is so good, you gotta get some of that. All right, next let's whip shake this a little bit. I'm gonna get it into the snifter, nice and creamy, and then get a little more ice in there. You could do a little bit more cinnamon over the top, or even some nutmeg, like some grated nutmeg or cinnamon. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna light a little cinnamon stick on fire. Now, I don't think the recipe calls for this particularly, but I kind of like to serve it like this. So let's get a little cinnamon stick. All right, I'm gonna get an orchid in there real quick, get this over the top, and that is the Polynesian Pearl. I'm sure you'll believe me when I say that I drank 3 of these right away when I found this recipe. It is so good and so easy to make, and guests really, really love it. It's my kiddos' favorite summer drink that we made this year. It's unique. It's not a typical tiki cocktail. It's got a creamy mouthfeel with the orange and cinnamon notes coming through. It's a really wonderful cocktail, and I know that you will really love this one. If you do like this kind of content, please hit the like button. YouTube loves that, and so do I. I really appreciate you watching today, and let me know in the comments if you have subbed. Commenting is really, really an important part of my channel. I really like to connect with you guys. That's it. Go make the Polynesian Pearl and tag me in the picture that you post of the Polynesian Pearl over on Instagram. I'm there at Home Bartender Ann. See you next Friday. We're gonna make a really nice cocktail then. Cheers. Be well. All right, this is it, people. Let's do it.